by Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back, for those returning viewers, and if you are new here, thank you for tuning in. We're gonna jump into a fall routine today. Summer is over, guys. Summer is over. I know everybody was out there living their best lives, okay? I know it, but it's time to get back to work. It's time to get back to school. And if you want to see what I come up with, for this fall routine, stick around. Okay guys, so for this fall routine, I am actually going to use like 2 different palettes because I don't know, I just feel like I need 2 palettes for this look. And I'm sorry, I'm not trying to make it like super elaborate, but here we go. So I'm gonna start with the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. I'm gonna use probably like 1 to 2 shades out of there. And I'm also gonna use my SleekMakeup palette. Which one is this? This is the I Divine Ultra Mattes. So this is what this palette looks like right here. It's super cool. And if you guys already haven't seen Lunar Beauty Mini MUA's palette, this is what it looks like. And I also have a video where I reviewed this palette. I will link it down below so you guys can check that out if you guys already have not. And you know, let's just jump right into it. The first shade that I'm gonna take is this yellow shade right there called Campy, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that into my crease here. And the reason why I wanted to use this palette actually is because the shades are pretty pigmented, like pretty pigmented. So I'm gonna just pop Campy kind of in my crease, kind of all over the lid, just a little bit. I'm not gonna use too many colors today. I'm lying, yes I will. Yes I will, I'm lying. My gosh, I'm sorry guys. Now this palette does have a little bit of fallout, but it's not super bad. It's not super bad. I'm gonna continue to put Campy on the lid, and then we're gonna jump into the next shade. Hey guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and finished blending out that yellow from the Life's a Drag palette, which is the Campy shade, and I also used the SleekMakeup yellow as well, just to really build it up a little bit. And there was a fuck ton of fallout from both of them. So now we're gonna move on to the next shade, which is going to be this orange shade here out of the SleekMakeup. And you know, really gotta build this up here. Okay, keep on building with this orange shade. Hey guys, I'm back. I went ahead and built up that orange as much as I could, as much as I wanted it to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and perform a mini, like a little halo eye. And so how you wanna do that is you wanna take your concealer. All right, I've already got some concealer ready to go here. And what you wanna do is you want to place your concealer right above your crease, like right above your crease. And that's pretty much how you perform a halo eye. So I'm gonna take it right above my crease. Sorry guys, I have to. What you wanna do is stare straight ahead. So that's pretty much gonna be my guide on how I move forward with my halo eye. So I go here, and you wanna take it all the way. Just kind of sitting right in the middle of the eye. You don't want it going anywhere else because that's where you want your product to sit, is right in the middle. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. And then you kind of want to, then you're free to kind of bring it down and drag it down. And then you want to continue to look at where your lines stop. Okay? And then you want to continue to just drag that down, so you can place whatever color it is that you want to pop there. And that's how you do it. Hey guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and cut everything out for the halo eye. I will admit that like it's larger than what I want, but we're just gonna go with it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try and pop Campy, that yellow shade that I was working with. I'm gonna pop that on top of my concealer. And I'm also gonna add like a few other shades, but we're gonna start with Campy. And right now I'm just gonna like pat it onto that concealer. And you're definitely gonna have to build it up a little bit, guys. Like, you're gonna have to build it up, and that's what I am gonna do here. Just gonna pop it right there, right on top of that concealer. And it's working out. Of course, you want to blend so it's not looking blocky and everything like that and super triangular. So once I get done popping Campy on, I'm gonna kind of blend, and we'll see what it looks like after I do that. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple shades to the outside of this halo eye. I'm gonna add Trade right here from the Life's a Drag palette in there, as well as kind of like this light pink here on the outer corners. And let's go ahead and get into that. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the shade Trade first, for sure. And then I will lay down the, it's kind of like a watermelon pink shade from the SleekMakeup one. So here's Trade. And I'm gonna just pop it on the outer corners just a little bit, just to help blend that in, so you're not just left with like this like triangular shape on your eye. It's not a good look. Not a fucking good look. And then I'm gonna take this watermelon pink shade that I told you about and blend that as well, right on top of Trade. And you see how like pretty it can look? So I'm gonna do that on both sides. Okay, so I am now hopping into the Juvia's Place Magic palette. And from this palette, I'm gonna use the shade Aja, which is this teal color right here. And I've just been like popping it into my waterline. Hey guys, I'm all done. I am back. We're gonna go ahead and recap everything. So I left you guys a second ago and I was placing Aja in the bottom waterline, and then I also placed that yellow shade Campy in the inner corners. And what else did I do? I popped on some lashes, which is the Kiss Lash Couture lashes in the style Gala. These are like super cute, and I thought that they were gonna be like super like more dramatic, but they're not. They're like perfect for a look like this. And then for the lips, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks in the shade Requiem. I love this shade. This is so cool. This is 2 coats of this. And I believe all of Anastasia's liquid lips are like 22 if I am not mistaken. And you guys know that I will leave all the deets down below as far as everything else I've got going on with my face. I will leave some links so you guys can click on those and purchase away if you would like. And now, guys, it's just time for you guys to just stick around for the reveal.